When it comes to BIM, Building Information Modeling, companies in Bhubaneswar, Scon India Private Ltd stands out as a leading player in the industry. With their expertise in BIM services, they have successfully completed numerous projects and gained a strong reputation for their quality work. As a BIM company, Scon India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services including BIM modeling, clash detection, 3D coordination, quantity takeoffs, and construction documentation. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon India Private Ltd as your BIM partner is their team of highly skilled professionals. The company boasts a team of experienced architects, engineers, and BIM specialists who are well-versed in the latest technologies and software used in the industry. This ensures that they deliver accurate and efficient BIM solutions to their clients. The team at Scon India Private Ltd understands the importance of collaboration and communication throughout the project lifecycle, which helps in delivering projects on time and within budget. As a BIM company in Bhubaneswar, Scon India Private Ltd is well aware of the local building regulations and codes. They ensure that all their BIM models comply with these regulations, thereby minimizing any potential issues during the construction phase. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon India Private Limited also places a strong emphasis on client satisfaction. They strive to understand the unique requirements of each client and tailor their BIM solutions accordingly. Their proactive approach, attention to detail, and commitment to delivering high-quality work have earned them a loyal client base. In conclusion, Scon India Private Ltd is a reputable BIM company in Bhubaneswar that offers a comprehensive range of BIM services. With their team of skilled professionals, adherence to local regulations, and focus on client satisfaction, they are well equipped to handle any BIM project with efficiency and precision.